this video, I'm going to walk you guys step-by-step guide on how you can trade a new meme coin or new listed token using the DEX Screener. So I'm how to set it up. So you come over here, you can see you just use this last 24 hours and you can see all chains. So you click on all these all chains. So we are dealing with Solana chain, right? So you click on Solana, right? So you can see all this decentralized, right? So decentralized means exchange, right? So we all know because I explained something like this in my previous video. So we are going to click all this decentralized. So which you can see we are going to choose Radium. So once we are done with that, so the next thing you click on sort, you are going to see price change up and price change down, and you also see the hours, 24 hours, 6 hours, 1 hour, and so on and so forth. So what you do over here, you go ahead and click on this 6 hours. Now the reason why the price must be on 6 hours is because we are looking to get the coin that are pumping within the last 6 hours, right? So that is why you need to click on this 6 hours. And also, if you change it to 24 hours, it means that you'll be getting the coin that have pumped to their highest high or to their peak. So we wouldn't want to engage in any type of coin that have pumped to their highest high. So that is why we need to filter the coin that are pumping within the latest 6 hours. And also that is why you don't also need to change this to price change down. So you go ahead and click on the 6 hours, right? So once you are done with that, the next thing we are going to check the liquidity, right? So you click on this liquidity, so which you can see filter by liquidity. You can see 10k, 50k, 100k, 250k. So I'm going to recommend you to use 250k, right? So you are going to use 250k or as low as 100k. Then once you are done with that, you go ahead and apply it, right? So we are going to go to our pair H right now, so which is also important over here. It's very, very important than any other thing here, right? So you click on the pair H, right? So what are you going to do? So you allow your pair H to be at minimum of 168 days. So I'm going to explain why. Okay, why we need this pair H to be at 165 hours, right? So most people that actually rock pull meme coin, they do not rock pull at early age. Most people or some people don't even wait for a single day before they rock pull. Some of them take up to 3 days, right? So but most of the rock pull happens within the first 1 week, right? So you get it now. That's see all the people who involve or invest in the coin lost their money, right? Because the owner of the coin, they have actually rock pull their money. Okay, they have pulled out their money, right? So that is when you see the token does not go to anywhere. You see, maybe you invested over and over and nothing happens again, right? So that is why you need to put your minimum hours at 168 hours, right? That is that. Then you click on apply, right? So that is that. Then what you come over here now, we are going to come to the market cap. So once you are done with this pair H, so we are going to come to the market cap. You click on this market cap, right? When you click on the market cap, so your market cap will be at the minimum of 500,000 or a billion, because the token we have placed through the search filter to search for us is within 7 days old or and above, right? So not only that, to also spot out the legit tokens that have made over 200 million to 300 million in the market cap within a short period of time. So that is why we are searching for from 500,000 to a billion. So you apply it, right? The next thing to do now, we'll be looking for the coin that are fall within this filter over right here, right? So that we can also spot out the good coins and the bad ones, right? So if you can see over something over here, you will see all the same coin that are 45%, 18%, 38%. So okay, what I'm trying to say over here is not that this coin they are scam coin, right? Before you enter a coin, so you need to make sure that the market cap is bigger than the volume. So what do you mean by this? So which you can see over here now, this coin have a market cap of 1 million, and you can see this other one has a volume of 455k, right? So these are the most important thing that we'll be looking for, right? So the market cap need to be bigger than the volume of the coin. So okay, so after you have made sure that the market cap is bigger than the volume, so what you do next, for instance, you just click any coin of your choice. So right, so what you do, all right, so once you click on it, the next thing you have to make sure that it has a lock liquidity, so which you can see over here. This is what we call a lock liquidity, right? So once the coin has a lock liquidity, it means that your funds is safe, that you cannot just actually maybe like lose your funds like that, right? So the next thing you check over right here is the audit of this coin. So you click down here over right here, right? So this is where you can find your audit. This is the audit over right here, so it means that there is no issue. So once you click on this, you go ahead and click on it, so you can see this is not mintable, freezable, right? The meaning of mintable is all those coins, for instance those Telegram apps coin that are game player like Amster Combat and so on and so forth. So if a coin is mintable, it causes inflation in the coin, which is going to depreciate. So if you really want to know how the coin is doing, there is a Telegram bot called TTF, right? So I'm going to show you guys how to go about this Telegram bot. So all right, so what you do next, so if you want to actually maybe know more things about this coin using the TTF bot, so what you do next, you just come over here and copy this coin. So you can see over here, you can see you click on here and copy it, right? You can see it has copied, right? So once you are done copying the contract address, right, then you head to Telegram bot. So right, so let's go to Telegram. So right, so once you come to Telegram, you click on TTF, right? In this case I already have the TTF bot. So remember, we copy the contract address of the coin, right? Then you're going to paste it right now, right? So which you can see once you paste it. So let's see. All right, so this is what the TTF bot says. It looks clean, and you can see the date the owner renounced 78 days old, right? And it's on Solana blockchain. It's not mintable, and you can also see the liquidity is 100%, which means you can also buy it and sell it, right? Since TTF bot says it looks clean, so it means maybe this coin has already been rug pulled before within the last 7 days that it was listed. So it means we can go ahead and invest in it. So another thing we'll be checking out is the holders, which you can see the top 10 holders is at 13% to 75%. So anything below 30% to, let's say, okay, 10% to 30%, it means that coin we have to fear that coin, right? So in this case, this coin is still good for we to buy, just like TTF bot has shown us over right here. So right, so that is that. So let's move direct to the coin now, so that I'm going to show you guys something again. Right, that is all what you need to know before jumping into any meme coin or before trading any meme coin. All right, so I'm going to introduce you a trading bot that will help you to trade without you going all through this stress. All right, so if you want this bot, make sure you join our Telegram group chat. Thank you guys for staying with me to the end of this video.